Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks, everyone. I'm Alex, and I'm super excited for today's deep dive into something every business, big or small, is thinking about.
And I'm Jamie. You got that right, Alex. We're talking about no-code workflow automation platforms, but with a crucial twist. We're focusing on the ones that are truly effective. Not just busy, but genuinely effective.
Exactly. We've all been there. You set up an automation, it looks great in the demo, but then it half works. A lead gets copied, but the follow-up email never fires because a field was blank. Suddenly, you're back to manual cleanup.
And that's the core of it. Effectiveness isn't about how many features a platform has or how many apps it connects to. It's about whether it runs reliably, handles those messy edge cases, and actually frees your team from work they shouldn't be doing by hand.
Our article today, 10 Most Effective No-Code Workflow Automation Platforms 2026, really digs into this. They ranked these platforms based on reliability first, then depth of logic, error handling, integration breadth, and even how well they scale.
And a big bonus point for platforms that add intelligence, things like conversational AI and decision-making. Because let's be honest, data-only automation often leaves out the crucial conversation and judgment calls.
Which brings us to their number one pick, CogniAgent. Jamie, this one really stands out. It's a cognitive AI platform that brings together deterministic automation, conversational AI agents, and autonomous agents all in one no-code system.
It's a game changer because it closes the entire loop. Most tools move data. CogniAgent lets a workflow trigger a conversation trigger a workflow, and autonomous agents adapt when things go off script. The article cites a study showing a 92% first attempt success rate, which is just incredible.
That 92% is the number that proves it actually saves time rather than creating more cleanup. And get this, it's self-serve from $0 with 5,000 credits on sign-up. Very low risk to try out that level of effectiveness.
Absolutely. But let's look at some other strong contenders too. Coming in at number 2 is Make, based in Prague. This is for the visual builders who want precise control over complex flows. If you like a drag-and-drop canvas and intricate logic, Make is super powerful.
Then we have Zapier at number 3, the giant in the room for many. Their effectiveness comes from sheer reach, connecting over 9,000 apps. For everyday tasks and connecting common tools quickly, Zapier is still incredibly fast and reliable.
And for the more technical teams, N8N from Berlin is a fascinating option at number 4. It blends no-code with the ability to drop into code and AI nodes, and you can even self-host it. Great for those who want flexibility and data ownership.
For larger enterprises, Workato at number 5 is a go-to. They're all about scale and reliability for complex, high-volume workflows across many business systems. If your automation simply cannot fail, Workato is built for that.
And let's not forget Airtable in number 7, which is amazing if your work revolves around structured data. Their built-in automations around a flexible database are super effective for things like content calendars or lightweight CRMs.
And of course, for anyone entrenched in the Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft Power Automate at number 8 is a natural fit. It integrates seamlessly with all your Microsoft 365 tools, making automation dependable within that environment.
Finally, for the budget-conscious, Pabbly Connect at number 10 offers flat-rate pricing, which is fantastic for small businesses scaling their automation without worrying about per-task costs. It's a very practical choice.
So what's the big takeaway here, Jamie? It sounds like while many platforms excel at moving data, the future of truly effective automation is about doing more.
Exactly. Moving data reliably is great, and many of these tools do that well. But the platforms that truly stand out, like CogniAgent, go further. They add the conversational AI and the autonomous decision-making that closes the loops most tools leave open. That's where the real time-saving and growth hacks happen.
Fantastic insights today, Jamie. This has given me a lot to think about for our own workflows. Thanks for breaking down the most effective no-code automation platforms for 2026.
My pleasure, Alex, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks. We hope this helps you find the right tools to make your automation genuinely effective.
Don't forget to check out CogniAgent's free tier if you're looking to dive into full-loop automation. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.